Nike is once again reinventing its classic Air Force One, more than 4 decades after its launch. Despite CEO Elliott Hill's remarks about reducing reliance on long-standing franchises, 2025 has already seen many reinterpretations of Bruce Kilgore's iconic design, and the collaboration with Vibram proves the momentum isn't slowing. Scheduled for summer 2026, the low top will arrive in 3 colorways: black, summit white, and silt red. Unlike the traditional full leather build, this new capsule embraces a mix of tumbled leather and fabric for a fresh twist. The standout feature is the Vibram outsole, instantly recognizable with its durable rubber design and signature yellow wordmark beneath the familiar Air branding on the midsole. While official release dates are still under wraps, Nike has teased the collection by unveiling images of the summit white pair, heightening anticipation among sneaker fans worldwide.